Hey, here we go. I've got a little toy that I've wanted for a long time. It's a teleprompter, and I've never had one, and I've always been interested in seeing how I would do with one for my videos. I'm dyslexic, so I can't read very well, so I'm going to see how easy it is to use with someone like me, because it's something I've always wanted to try play with, but I've had one sent to me. Check this out. Let's see how good this is, eh? There you go. It's everything in the box. With this sort of thing, it would have been nice to have had a case for it, but it is a budget teleprompt. Got the matte box for it, a little certificate thingy bob, black bit. You got a big chunk of metal, a little phone thing. I guess I'll keep the box for this because it's not the sort of thing I'm going to use all the time, to be quite honest. I wanted one a while back. I was filming something, some interviews, and they all had their notes with them. So everyone was looking off to the side, because let's do that, but they kept reading the lines. You could see their heads and their eyes moving. Right, okay. That's everything. There's your foam. I'll keep that. Okay, instructions. That's the base. That goes on tripod, I guess. We'll dig a tripod out in a bit. Light shield. There we go. Mirror screen. That's the cool bit. Camera stand. Tablet clip. Phone clip. Use your phone, hey? And Allen key. And a little thing so you can be clicking through your words and doing your own speed, which is good. Guess there's got to be an app then to download. Installation method. Right, so we find a tripod, shall we? I'm going to use the camera and I'm talking to you. I have another camera. One that's just there. Sony VG900. So you get the base. You've got a screw there, screw there. So we've got two indentations where they fit in. I get you. Right, so for now we'll just pop it on this tripod, this little baby tripod. We've put it on the legs. Right, so this is for the camera. So you've got one side for one for a smaller camera, one for a higher camera. I get you. Like that. We'll just use the VG900 for this, for a test. Right. Got a little camera here. So far we've got a little camera on it. Turn it around. iPad. Cool. That fits on there. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? See? Yeah, okay. Now the thing is, obviously I need to put writing on it, so we need an app, don't we? Here we go. App settings and playback. Let's move you out of the way. App settings. I'm gonna have to get the app first. Where is the app? Let's get the little didgeridoo, the little button. Don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Oh, it's got battery in. It hasn't got a little. Usually a bit of plastic, so it can't be. So it's not dead. All right, app. Need to put the app on a. Let's put it on an iPad. On a tablet. If anyone doesn't know, if you want a QR code to work, just go to your camera and it'll do it all for you. Oh, here we go. Click and scan to download the app. So we'll go to iOS. It wants me to scan, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go on my phone, bring my phone up, to then get the app. It's a bit silly, isn't it? They should just have it on there. So get. Bing. While that's doing that, let's get a battery for the VG900E. Right. I can import stuff, so we need to just put any old thing on it. Right. So we're going to copy all this, and we'll go title news, paste, confirm. We need to set this little thing up. So turn it on, I guess. Bluetooth. Just turn it off. Turn it on so it goes crazy. Shutter 3, it must be shutter 3. Pair, yeah. Okay, it says we're done. We'll go in here, and we go back, and we got our writing, play. Okie dokie, so. Right. Alright, so go back. Problem is, at the moment, it is the wrong way around. I need to mirror it. So we've got to go to settings. Got to flip it. Settings. Mirror mode. As you can see, I've got the writing in there. See it? I've got some satisfying stuff to do now. On the inside as well. I have wanted myself one of these. Look at that. See how cool is that? Can't even remember to use the camera. I've been using my black magic so long. That's it, I've got a little dial here. So I'm recording now. But hopefully, autofocus will pick me up. Let's see if we can do this. Let's put it here. Okay, should we give it a shot? It's recording. Got my little controls, let's see. So I press it once and it starts. I keep my finger on it, it goes slow. News. A police officer is in serious condition after being hit by a train while saving a distressed man who was on the tracks. Nottinghamshire police say they were called to a residential area in Bollington near Newark-on-Trent. It's split, you see, I've made the text too big. Over concerns for a man's safety just before 7 p.m. Thursday. Sponsored link, recommended by What is Outbrain. Yeah, we're on to the adverts now. So what do I think of it? I think for the price of it, it's fantastic. The app is really good, to be quite honest. And this little device here is also really good. I'm very happy with it. At the time of making this video, it was less than £100. So it is really nice. Putting the visor on it's good because it means that if you can't see the writing because the visor's in the way, it means that you haven't got it set right, if that makes sense. There's a red line where you're reading here, so you're actually looking at the lens. I mean, that's pretty good, isn't it? So there we go. For less than £100, I'm going to give this thing a 10 out of 10. 5 stars on Amazon. I did notice a bit of blooming. It looked like it had a misty filter over the lens. Obviously you don't really want that. You want a sharp image if someone's doing a news report. But that could be my lights. Either way, from not looking at the footage, it's 5 out of 5. I'll check it out. If the footage doesn't look great, I'll drop it to a 4 star. But really, for less than £100, it is really, really good, isn't it?